Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the TCL C655 versus the Sony Bravia 3. Now if you don't know what these two are, the TCL C655 is an affordable 4K QLED smart TV supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+, Google TV, and a decent contrast for the price. And the Sony Bravia 3 on the other hand is an entry-level Sony 4K LED TV running Google TV with Triluminos Pro Color and Dolby Vision support, but lacks local dimming and limiting contrast. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the C655 here. So the pros of it is that it supports QLED colors up to 95%, DCI P3, HDR format supported, strong contrast and uniform image, good upscaling, and on-kill audio, which is 2.1 CH, gaming features, VRR, and up to 120Hz and 55 inches plus. So the cons of it is that it has no local dimming zones, corner, clouding, glow clouding reported, even local dimming enabled panel sucks, glow in the corners, and panel sharpness issues with the native UI upscaling is only up to 1080p. So the pros of the Sony Bravia 3 on the other hand is an accurate color and image straight from the box in professional mode, clean polished Google TV interface with AirPlay and Chromecast. Now the cons of it is that it has no local dimming, poor contrast and gray blacks, mediocre HDR brightness and color gamut versus QLEDs, and some users support Wi-Fi, HDMI, and UI bugs. So which one is right for you? So choose the TCL C655 if you want a vibrant QLED color, rich in HDR support and gaming features at a budget. And choose the Sony Bravia 3 if you value out-of-box picture accuracy, smooth Google TV experience, and trusted brand quality. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.